goal with this activity is to really loosen up the hips and the foot. Here's what you're going to do. You want to get yourself a plate. You want something where your heel is elevated only, but you don't want it so high that the big toe is in extension like that. So I'm going to be here like this. I'm going to grab a kettlebell, and I want it to be on the outside of the front leg in the beginning. What you're going to do then is on soft knees on both. Backside's going to be on the big toe. You don't want to be leaned too far back. You're going to shift forward. You want to exhale and just drop straight down as far as you can without, tipping back or arching or anything like that. Now, when you're in that bottom position right here, what you're going to do is when you're inhaling, you want the weight ipsilateral or on the side that's closest to the leg working. On the exhale, you're going to pass underneath and switch to the opposite side because there are certain ranges of motion we're getting during each phase of breathing. So it's going to look like this. So I got my heel on there, foot still flat, soft knees. Exhale, drop down. Inhale, hold in the right. Exhale, pass to the middle. Just like that. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. One more. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.